I go to the kitchen with Mom.
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 Mom gives me a little apron.
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 I wear my apron.
I wear my apron.
I wear my apron.
I wear my apron.
I wash my hands with Mom.
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 Mom helps me stand on a stool.
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 I look at the ingredients.
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 Mom gives me a bowl.
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 I hold a spoon.
I hold a spoon.
I hold a spoon.
I hold a spoon.
Mom shows me how to mix.
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 I stir the bowl slowly.
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 Mom helps me crack an egg.
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 I pour milk into the bowl.
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 Mom adds some flour.
Mom adds some flour.
Mom adds some flour.
Mom adds some flour.
I whisk the mixture with Mom.
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 I taste a little bit.
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 Mom smiles at me.
Mom smiles at me.
Mom smiles at me.
Mom smiles at me.
We cut soft fruit together.
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 I put fruit into a cup.
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 Mom helps me sprinkle sugar.
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 We wait for the food to cook.
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 I watch the pan with Mom.
I watch the pan with Mum.
I watch the pan with Mom.
I watch the pan with Mum.
Mom helps me flip a pancake.
Mum helps me flip a pancake.
Mom helps me flip a pancake.
Mum helps me flip a pancake.
I open the oven door with Mom.
I open the oven door with Mum.
I open the oven door with Mom.
I open the oven door with Mum.
We watch the food bake.
We watched the food bake.
We watch the food bake.
We watched the food bake.
Mom takes the food out carefully.
Mum takes the food out carefully.
Mom takes the food out carefully.
Mum takes the food out carefully.